Hello, everyone. Today we are presenting our project report on Pella Multi-Services. This project was prepared by our team that is here with us today. And we have our client in representation of the company. Next slide, please. Pella was founded in 2022 with a clear purpose to support immigrants, especially Spanish speakers, by offering a moving, cleaning, and home maintenance services. They build their reputation through word of mouth and personal services. However, as demand grows, Pella now needs to scale. So this is where our project focus on helping them expand digitally and improve operation. Next slide. So Pella faces three major challenges. First, they lack on a strong digital presence, which limits visibility and makes booking harder for customers. Second, they rely on manual scheduling, which leads to inefficiencies. And third, they struggle with employee retention due to limited incentive and training. So what we came up with is to resolve this is to we propose a digital transformation strategy. This includes creating a bilingual mobile-friendly website with real-time booking, also launching a targeted Google and social media ads, and of course, using AI-driven scheduling tools along with CRM automatization. So the goal here is to increase online booking by 30% in 6 months and establish Pella as a leader in home services for the market.
Okay, hello everyone. I'll be presenting phase one and phase two of our strategy for PLM multi-services. Let's start with digital transformation and web presence. So the goal of phase one is to establish a strong online presence to attract and retain customers. We will begin by creating a bilingual mobile responsive SEO-friendly website with an integrated booking system. This ensures a fast user-friendly experience, especially important given that most services searches now happen on mobile devices. We also launched targeted social media campaigns on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, focusing on Spanish-speaking communities in BC. Combined with Google Ads and blog content, these efforts will improve visibility, drive traffic, and generate more customer engagement. To execute this strategy effectively, we will launch yield-targeted and retargeting ad campaigns aimed at bringing the right users to our website and encouraging return visits. We will also conduct usability testing to make sure the website is intuitive, fast, and easy to navigate across devices, especially mobile. This includes testing the booking flow and overall design to ensure a smooth user experience. To track success, we will monitor key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and user behavior using tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. These insights will help us refine the digital strategy and continually improve results. Phase two shifts the focus to improving internal operations, through automation and smart logistics. We will implement Optimal Route to automate route planning and scheduling, which help reduce fuel costs and service delays while improving delivery times and operational accuracy. Alongside that, Fleet Complete will allow real-time tracking of vehicles and driver performance, which supports safer driving, better maintenance, and efficient resource use. To ensure smooth adoption, we will provide training for drivers and dispatch teams, making sure the tools are used effectively from the start. We will also conduct ongoing performance monitoring using data to optimize processes and make strategic adjustments. Altogether, these actions will lead to greater productivity, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Now, I will pass it over to Ophelia to continue the presentation.
Next slide, please. Okay, thank you, Caroline. To continue with our phase two of the presentation, as a group, we decided to choose in two platforms in the CRM system that will be HubSpot and Soho CSR. So what do we choose? First of all, the HubSpot is a platform that we choose because this one increased in 35% of the participation of the revenue of the company, and it's actually focusing in the marketing. As we understand and as we improve as a group, It helps us to give automatization answers to the customers. And as the second one, it's a customer platform that is focused on a cloud system that normally comes for a small business. What is the idea of the small business? That's the company that we decided to work with. So this is the main reason that we decided in those two platforms. Can we continue with the second one, please? Okay, our phase 3 is our customer experience and growth strategy. Our main goal is to implement 3 phases on that part. First of all, implementing Google reviews and feedback for the collection system. Secondly, increasing the repeat customer. And finally, launching new services. As a group, our main goal is to obtain almost 5 in the customer satisfaction. That is why we improve and we are try to engage customers to give up their review on our online platform. Finally, to increasing to the repeat customer, it is important to retain their focusing in the business expansion. And finally, the idea of launching new service, it focuses in different business, but this is something that we realize as our part of our final step because we would like to focus in our current customers. Thank you. Can you change, please?
Okay, talking about the implementation plan, this will run for 9 months from April to December. So the phase 1 will be from April to May. So will be managed by the web developer and marketing team. The phase 2 from June to September by operations, logistics, and IT. And the phase 3, October to December, by marketing and operations. Each phase ensures effective execution and accountability. Now I will hand it over to my teammate to continue the presentation.
Okay, hello everyone. So regarding the annual budget proposal, for the first phase, there is the digital marketing transformation and the presence in the website. We will give a budget of $11,000. Then for the workforce training, retention and safety, we are giving it $3,000, and the rest, that is around $30,000, will go for the improvement of the operations. And then regarding the timeline, basically, next slide, please. Okay. So regarding the timeline, yeah, as Caroline said, we will have 3 phases. The first phase, that is the digital transformation and web presence, will be taken in 2 months, that is from April to May. Then we have the second phase, that is operational efficiency and automation, that will have a duration of 3.5 months, from June to the mid-September. And then for the third phase, there is the customer experience and growth. It will also be 3.5 months from the mid of September to December. And then next slide, please. Regarding the industry research, although the moving industry contract by 2.7% in the last 5 years, growth is expected to be driven by the increase in disposable rent, according to Lee 2024. So it's important for the company that make expansion opportunities like high margin complementary services, like eco-friendly packaging, and also to offer price flexibility and customization. Because due to the high cost of labor that represent a large percentage of operating expenses, the company needs to make these strategies to expand their client base. And also in the industry, we can see that there is a revenue potential. Specifically in Vancouver, there is an average of moving cost that goes from $260 to $2,600. Well, the implementation of the expansion of the client base with operational efficiency will allow the company a solid and scalable business model to attract the attention of more investors.
Before we go to our final conclusion, it is important, as Caroline mentioned, in the phase 2, that we decided to create 3 different deliverables for social media, specifically focus on Instagram and Facebook, which is targeted to our main group. First of all, will be a post on Instagram. The only change that we create since that we're working with the previous art that Martin provided to us is the colors and also the logo. We would like that as a group that the logo represent a home, which is the type of service that we are trying to deliver to our final customers. And finally, our final delivery, and as people that is expert in marketing, it is important to give people the testimonial videos to understand how is our service working. This video is going to take less than 1 minute that we believe, and as according to our research, is the time that you need to engage your customers. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about the KPIs implementation. So as we can see in the table, project success will be measured using indicators. For example, in case of marketing KPIs, we include the ad impression, the interaction rates, and the conversion rates. In the case of logistics, we use the scheduling error rate, operational costs per move, and service time will be also measured. In case of customer experience, the average rating on Google reviews, the customer retention rate, and the adoption rate. And of course, it's important financials. So we use the return on investment KPI. All of these KPIs together will help us successfully to monitor the company performance. Next slide, please. So about our final recommendations to expand the business long term, we recommend a combination of digital solution, operational improvement, and customer experience optimization. Implementing the bilingual web with booking options along with Google Ads, SEO, and social media campaigns will increase our visibility and our sales. Also, the use of real-time analytics will improve our performance and the use of the user experience in the company. For logistics, the automation through the Soho CRM will optimize routes and reduce costs and times. The use of Fleet Complete will allow for a better fleet control and efficiency in the internal of the company. And also focus on the use of green materials will improve their reputation and attract customers committed to sustainability. Finally, focus on customer satisfaction will boost profitability. 90% positive Google rated can be achieved in 9 months approximately, demonstrating trust in the brand. Also, a loyalty program with exclusive discounts can increase customer retention by 15%, and expansion of service will increase the amount of customer by 30%. So as a conclusion, the implementation of this strategy will not only improve operational efficiency, but also strengthen customer relationship and differentiate itself from the competitors. As the company continues to grow, it is focused on quality, and customer experience will be key to its position with a stable and long-term financial growth. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Martin, do we like to receive a little feedback for you before we finish the presentation?
It's nice to see you again. Thank you for your time, guys, and for the time that you invest in my company.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you, Martin. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.